Hey guys, Hair System DIY here. I'm so sorry about my radio silence throughout December. A number of things happened in my life which meant I couldn't really spend any time on the channel. I moved house, I moved in with my girlfriend, which is, as anyone will know who's moved house, it's really busy and stressful. I also unfortunately had a bereavement of a friend and colleague of mine, which was a complete shock, and so I've been sort of dealing with that. Alongside that, I've been getting some lower back pain problems, so I've been having MRIs, I've been seeing an osteopath, a chiropractor, which has taken up a lot of time, so please do forgive me for not being around in December. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all had a great New Year's Eve and a great Christmas. My New Year's resolution is to make some more consistent content, to fill in the gaps of knowledge that might be lacking within the community that you guys want to know about. This is literally just a really quick video. As you can see, I've decided to do this when doing a frontal rebond. The glue is still curing up there, as you can see. I've got all of my usual tools out that I always use. So I've got my Ghost Bond right here. I always use that for frontal lace systems. Also my cotton wool balls. Alongside my leave-in conditioner. I always use that on the back. I never ever use that on the front within 24 hours of gluing. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with that. I thought I'd just check in with you guys, let you know that I'm still here, I'm still making content. Anything you guys want to see through 2020, be it tutorials, be it product reviews, be it reviews on different systems. I've got a couple of different systems lined up which I'm going to be trying out, all from New Lace CU. They are offering the 20% discount. I rate them very highly. The quality of the systems is the best I've ever used. The customer service is great, and when you're getting 20% off a hair system, that adds up quite nicely. So it's New Lace CU 20 in the coupon code box, capital N in there, to get you a 20% discount. I will put their website and description in the description box below. So if you're interested in using them, I highly recommend them. But yeah, anything you want to see in 2020, let me know in the comments box, because this isn't just about me talking to you guys. I want to know what you guys want from me. So please just let me know, and I'll be happy to make a video about it. So I'm wishing you guys good luck and every happiness throughout 2020. Let's do this. Bye for now.